Hello, this is Lissa, and I'm going to show you how to make a favicon for Blogger. I'm going to start out on the Blogger template page or dashboard so that you can see where we're going to end up, and then I'll go to the first steps. So sign into Blogger as you normally would. Go to your layout so that you can see the different objects in your layout. And up here there's a little dialog box for a favicon. If you click edit, we are going to make an image and then we're going to browse for it and put it in here and save, and that will be the last step. So let's start out. I start in Photoshop, and this is just a doodle I was making one day, but it'll show up nicely, and I like to work in square, so that's helpful for this process. The image has to be square, and this one, when I go to image size, it shows that I've got 2000 pixels square. For a favicon, it's going to end up 16 pixels square, but it's been recommended based on the reading I've done to make it 144 square first. And then you want to save that to a place that you can find it later, so I'll just put it on the desktop. So I'm going to call this Funky Art Favicon Image, and I'll save it to the desktop so I can find it in a few minutes. And it doesn't matter whether it's a PNG or a JPEG. Both actually a PNG, JPEG, and GIF or GIF are accepted in making a favicon. So I found by Googling a favicon generator. I like this one. It's easy. favicon.ico generator. So we're going to create a new favicon, which is where it was, but I always like to click there to make sure that I'm starting in the right place. We're going to import the image that we just made. Go to import image, image file, browse. It's on my desktop. I called it Funky Art Favicon Image. Open, upload, and this doesn't look like much, but it's much larger than we need it. So the next step is to download it now that the generator has made the favicon, and this on my computer saves to the download folder. So I'll go to downloads, and actually I need to look and see what number. Oh, it's called favicon ICO. So I will go back to my file, my folders, and find. I've got a lot on my desktop right now, so bear with me, or in my downloads right now, so bear with me. Favicon ICO, as you can see, that's the one of my little doodle. I'm going to move it over to where I can find it easily for the purpose of this demonstration on my desktop. Okay, so that's all there is to generating the favicon. We don't need this website anymore. We'll go back to my test blog on Blogger. Click edit for the favicon. Browse for that image. It's on my desktop and it's called favicon ICO. I'm going to open that and save. Now sometimes, as you can see, it did not save the favicon in the tab. What I have learned through the process of doing this several times is it seems to not like the history that's been saved. It's saving the blogger logo as the favicon. So we have to go to clear history. I just clear the browsing and download form and search cookies and cache. I want to make sure that my active logons remain the same and the rest of these don't matter. So we clear now, and we'll go to view the page, although, oh, I'm so sorry. Just a moment, please. Thought I was all set up for this. So we will, this blog is something that I started to make for someone else, and it has nothing to do with this playing around favicon, but as you can see up here in the tab, the favicon now shows. So that's all there is to it, folks. We can close this, and you can go make your own favicon and upload it to your Blogger site. Thank you for listening.